Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Play Store on the laptop or PC. First, open up Google Chrome or any browser on your laptop. Once you have Google Chrome open, you will see a search bar at the top of the window. Type in Play Store. Now, you should see the search results page. Look for the option that says Android apps on Google Play and click on it. Now the Google Play Store is open on your screen. Take your moment to explore the different sections and categories available. To search for a specific app, look for the search bar at the top of the Play Store page. Type in the name of the app you want to download. In this case, I am going for WhatsApp. As you tap, the Play Store will suggest relevant apps, so you can select the one you are looking for. While searching for WhatsApp, you may come across similar apps that offer similar features. Once you found the app you want to download, click on it to open its detail page. Now, look for the three vertical dots located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on them to open a drop-down menu. In the drop-down menu, you will find various options. Click on More Tools and now click on this Create Shortcut. A dialog box will appear allowing you to set the name of the shortcut. Type in Google Play Store as the name and click on the Create button. You successfully created a shortcut for the Google Play Store. Now if you go to your desktop, you will see the Google Play Store icon displayed here. To open the Google Play Store, simply double tap on it and Play Store will be open. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.